Hello, cake lovers. Welcome back to Cakes Factory. Today, we are diving into the most eye catching cake trends of 2025, 3D shaped cakes. Let's explore 20 amazing designs that bring toys, dolls, and cars of life in cake form. Yes, you are thinking right. These are 3D shaped cake in different forms. The first one is Barbie doll dress cake. A beautiful doll wearing a flowing gown, all made from cake and buttercream, a classic for every little princess. The next is race car cake, scapulated like a real Formula One car, complete with tires and numbers details, starting every engines. The next is teddy bear cake, fluffy texture for created with pipe frosting, adorable and cuddly, a soft and sweet centerpiece. The next is dinosaur cake, roaring fun with a 3D scapulated TRX or cake, perfect for adventurous little ones. The next is toy robot cake, with metallic colors and mechanical parts crafted from fondant, a frustrating touch. The next is unicorn 3D cake, shaped of, as a full unicorn with a ribbon mane and a golden horn, whimsical and magical. The next is fire truck cake, red, bold, and complete with letters and sceneries. Kids love it for brave little horses. The next is princess carriage cake, inspired by Cinderella's carriage with edible, elegant wheels and sugar curtains, a fairy tale in fondants. The next is rocket ship cake, 3D shape like a space rocket with galaxy accent and flames, blast off to a sweet celebration. The next is Pumpy Dog Cake, lifelike puppy with buttercream fur and big fondant eyes, almost too cute to cake. The next is Monster Truck Cake. Big wheels, bold colors, and lot of action vibes for kids who love power rides. The next is Ballerina Doll Cake. A sculpted ballerina on stage of frosting, tutor, and all, graceful and pretty. The next is pirate ship cake, 3D sailing ship with sails, tired chest, and pirate flag. Oh, cake lovers. The next is dumb trunk cake, realistic 3D shape loaded with candy rocks in the back, perfect for little builders. The next is elephant candy, chunky, cute, and trunk filled with fun. This animal design wow very time. Big love in every bite. The next is toy train cake, with several carriages carrying sweet treats, all borders the Belty Express. The next is 3D mermaid cake, a sculpted mermaid laying on sea themed fondant waves, ocean dream made real. The next is aeroplane cake, a realistic plane design mid takeoff with clouds and wings, fly into fun celebrations. The next is Lion King jungle cake, Simba and friends in a 3D jungle scene, curved with greenery icing, leaves, wild and wonderful. The next is ice cream trunk cake, sculpted like a cute trunk with little cones on top. Coolest cake on wheels. These 3D cakes turn every birthday in the fantasy world. Which one was your favorite Barbie, car, or puppy? Tell us in the comment below. Like this video if you love cake art. Share with a friend planning a kid's birthdays. And subscribe to Cakes Factory for more daily inspiration. Coming up next, comic outline cake, money pulling cake, mini cartoon cakes for kids. See you in the next sweet video. Till that, take care of yourself and your family. Goodbye. Love you all.